Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor decor with a review of what I believe is one of the best custom garden signs available right now. If you're looking to add a touch of vintage charm to your garden, patio, or porch, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Stick around as we explore the features, durability, and overall value of this unique piece from TIANCENTRAL. Imagine strolling through a beautifully landscaped garden or relaxing on your deck, surrounded by tasteful decorations that reflect your love for nature and style. The garden-themed decorative sign's vintage wood hanging sign does exactly that. Crafted from durable wood and featuring a weatherproof design, this sign is not just an ornament but a statement piece for any outdoor space. Let's talk about what makes this garden sign stand out. Firstly, its vintage design adds a rustic charm that complements any garden setting. The words garden are elegantly displayed, making it clear that this space is a sanctuary for plants and relaxation. Plus, it comes with a jute rope for easy hanging, so you can place it exactly where it fits best in your garden or on your porch. Now, durability is crucial for outdoor decorations, and this sign doesn't disappoint. It's UV treated to withstand sunlight without fading, rust resistant to endure rainy days, and built to last through seasons of outdoor use. This means you can enjoy its beauty without worrying about frequent replacements. Not only is this sign perfect for your own garden oasis, but it also makes a thoughtful gift. Whether it's for a housewarming party or a special occasion, this piece adds a personal touch that any gardener or nature enthusiast will appreciate. It's a great way to show someone you care about their outdoor sanctuary. While I won't delve into specific customer reviews, it's worth noting that this product has garnered positive feedback for its quality craftsmanship and design. Many users have praised its aesthetic appeal and how it enhances their outdoor spaces. In conclusion, the garden-themed decorative sign's vintage wood hanging sign by TIANCENTRAL is more than just a piece of outdoor decor. It's a statement of style and a testament to your love for gardening. With its vintage charm, durable construction, and easy installation, it ticks all the boxes for what you'd want in a garden sign. If you're ready to elevate your garden's aesthetics or looking for a thoughtful gift, I've left a link in the description below where you can find more details and purchase this sign for yourself or a loved one. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.